expressing happy feelings.
We have different emotions in our day-to-day life. Among them, happy is very important to us because happy always keep us healthy. People restrict happiness into one frame. They see only one aspect, but in our day-to-day work, learning and teaching, if we can do them willingly without stress, it is especially a cause for our happiness.
As a result of online learning, difficult areas have to face various problems such as lack of signal, connection blockage, and having to spend money on connections. This shows that the burden of online education and the various problems that children face have deprived them of a happy learning environment.
Shall we write dictation?
Today, teachers have to limit
Please
their
take
role
your
to
dictation
computer
book.
screen. It
Shall
has
we hear
also
me?
become very difficult
Don't
for
off your
teachers
camera,
to
okay?
retain the attentions of
Please
children.
answer.
From this, we
Stop
can
your
see
work.
that their profession is
Please
not happy,
stop.
but it has become
Oh,
stressful.
today I stop our session.
With the advent of online education, children are increasingly using computers, mobile phones, and headsets. This shows that they are more likely to suffer from various diseases due to their addiction to the digital screen and that it has become stressful.
Hello? Yes, I am doing this. What the hell? Oh, deadline? Before 12 midnight? Oh no, shit. Okay. Okay. Ah, shit.
In the online education system, children have to continue to engage in academic activities such as assignment, mid-exam, and presentations. Therefore, it shows that children engage in academic activities under extreme pressure without being able to get their freedom and rest.
Aya, there is a match field today. Let's go.
No, I can't. I have a lot of work. Go.
Thus, we see that with COVID-19 pandemic, almost everyone, especially children, teachers have to resort to the use of technology and therefore they have to face various difficulties. As a result, they have lost the ability to work happily. Let's now see how to adapt to this environment and work happily without letting happiness slip away from us.
Children are engaged in education by overcoming signal difficulties and financial difficulties. This shows that by working with friends who do not have those difficulties, we can happily engage in learning activities, and by being able to work collaboratively, we can engage in educational activities more happily than before. It has become very difficult for teachers to get the attention of young children, especially when teaching online education. It shows that teachers can teach happily by overcoming that obstacle and focusing on teaching in small groups. You may be interested in reading books and articles related to your subject matter without looking at the digital screen through the day. Then, by avoiding excessive use of technical equipment, side effects are minimized. Get mentally free. This shows that you will be able to work more happy than before. Also important to set aside time for children to play and relax without having to focus on studies throughout the day. It relieves stress and makes the mind feel relaxed. Then you will be able to return to your studies with enthusiasm.
We have to work with technology, but over reliance on technology shows that we lost the joy of life and that we can enjoy life by doing our daily chores in a way that pleases us.